So how does it feel, Sarthak? All India
Yeah,
rank 46?
yeah, it feels amazing, unbelievable for a bit, but yeah, it feels amazing.
Hi Sarthak, how are you?
So I'm fine, sir. Good evening, sir.
How did you come up with the anxiety of the result? How was the
Yeah,
feeling yesterday?
no, it was a really anxious day. You know, 11:55 they released the results. We were waiting for the
Okay,
whole day. So everyone was feeling the next day they would be declared, but eventually they did declare it. So that was
okay.
amazing.
So
Yeah.
how did you overcome the anxiety?
I was not that anxious because I knew I had done well, but not
Okay,
endless well. But I wasn't that anxious. But yeah, there was some anxiety, but not that much. So I guess it wasn't a problem.
okay. So how was the prep? How much time did it take?
Yeah.
And
So
what all were the difficulties when you were trying to prepare for CLAT?
I started in 11th with CL. I joined the CL's 2-year course, but I did not
Okay,
do much in 11th. And whatever we did in 11th wasn't of much use because the pattern changed. So
okay,
I began in 12th my serious preparation. So
okay,
the the new pattern, especially, it focused on reading. So that was something that benefited me because reading, I'm good at reading, and I wasn't doing well in the old pattern because it required a lot of mugging up in all the sections in English, GK, as well as legal. So the new pattern was definitely a benefit for me. And up until January, I was doing like real bad in GK. That's when I bought News Canvas. So yeah, by February I bought News Canvas, I guess, and in March and April I was scoring around 13 GK. But this year's GK was like it was a nightmare for many because the topics everyone was expecting, like nothing, not even a single question was
Yeah,
in
it
those.
was very much unpredictable.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
felt. So didn't you panic when you saw the question paper? What did you feel? What was the first
Like
reaction?
so the questions I had read the CL Manthans. So if you had done those, you would have been able to do those questions. So obviously, I did not know at least 15 of those questions. I did not panic as much because if you prepared well, you know it will be the same for everyone. Everyone would panic. So there's no point in panicking. I just finished that section in like 6 to 7 minutes and I moved ahead. So there was no point in panicking over it. It wasn't going to bring anything.
okay. So what was your GK scores?
It was 23.5.
23.5. So any score anyways above 20 was
Yeah,
good because in CLAT what happens is every year they change the type of questions they ask in
yeah,
current affairs specifically. That's where they make the paper difficult.
yeah. And
Okay.
math too. Yeah,
So there are surprises, not this time, they are every time.
yeah,
So I think if you have done it, people can do it. It's
yeah,
not that difficult. Everyone,
yeah,
it's the hard work and willpower which you have to put in, I believe, at the end.
yeah,
Am I
yeah.
right?
Definitely, yeah.
Okay. So what was your preparation strategy?
So I basically I gave the LSAT also. So the LSAT material really helped because it also focuses on reading. So the most amount of preparation I did was post March when the boards got cancelled. So that's when I really started preparing all day for CLAT, and I solved a lot of LSAT papers. I used Khan Academy extensively. I used the CL mocks, the CL material, and that was enough, I guess. You don't need to use too much material. You just need to use the material you have well, I guess.
Okay. So when did you start reading News Canvas and what happened after
Yeah.
reading
So
it?
in CL mock that I gave up until December, I was scoring like not more than 15 in GK. So it was like I knew that I can't do well in GK with the style I was going. So I bought News Canvas in January. I did not use it that much until February. That's
Hmm.
when we reduced the preparation for our boards and stuff
Hmm.
because we knew they were getting delayed. So I I set targets for myself. Every week I completed 2 months or so that I had
Hmm.
missed. And that's when my score in mocks really started increasing. Because the best thing about CL is they ask you questions they have provided you the material for. Like they don't do
Okay.
that. They'll give you पढ़ने के लिए कुछ और दिया and mocks they'll ask something really different. So you're getting
Okay.
tested on what you're reading. So I think
Okay.
that was the best thing. But yeah, the GK in the exam was completely different than what we were expecting. Not what we had prepared for, but what we were expecting. So we had prepared for that, but we were not expecting that. So it was a big shock. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So what would be your advice to your juniors or people who are preparing for CLAT this year?
My advice would be don't think that one section can increase your scores. It can be your strength because most of us were focusing on GK and maths to increase our scores. But maths was also a nightmare this year. The 5 questions, I believe, were wrong, which they have not retracted. So, yeah, I don't know. I got only 5.5 in math, right? I used to score 12 in math. So it was
Okay.
like, I was pretty shocked that why did I score so low?
See, sometimes what happens when you are appearing in a competitive exam is they have to also increase the toughness level at
Yeah,
times.
yeah,
Okay. So it's not that simple. So if it's simple for everyone.
yeah,
So if there are 80,000 students who are appearing for an exam and you have to select best 1,000 out of that. So how do
yeah,
you do that? You have to increase the difficulty level,
yeah,
right? If you see the last year when one NLU conducted an exam separately
yeah,
and they moved out of CLAT, what happened was a disaster for students
yeah.
because they did not know what goes into conducting an exam. So when
Yeah,
you are conducting a competitive exam, it's actually required to increase the difficulty level so that only the best crowd can come out who have prepared
yeah,
throughout the year. So
yeah.
how many mocks have you given in total?
So I gave for I believe we had around 40 CL mocks for CLAT, and I also bought another test series. Those were around 45 mocks, I guess. So in total, I gave around 85, 90 mocks
So you give
for CLAT.
around 90 mocks. So
Yeah,
the strategy is that you have to give more mocks.
yeah. So and not just giving mocks, analyzing those mocks is very important because the CL mocks, the English and CR, the CL mocks gave was really tough for me, at least. But if you have done the CL mocks well, analyzed them, this year's English and logical was very easy. If you have given your CL mocks thoroughly, it was a very easy paper in terms of English and critical reasoning, at least. Yeah. So I'd
Right.
say, yeah.
So Sarthak, any one mantra that you would want to give your future
Yeah. So
aspirants?
I would just say focus on every section because you don't know what they can do in any, like, don't think that GK will boost your scores because last year also they had many subjective questions. This year they had too many factual questions. And in legal they said we don't require any prior legal knowledge, but the passages were such that if you have not read them before, you won't be able to do it under 5 minutes each passage. So
Right.
be prepared for anything and everything and just don't panic because if the paper is tough for you, it's going to be tough for everyone if you have prepared well.
And how about the revision? How many times did you revise?
Oh, I like every month the Meka ma'am, the schedule that she gave us. So she ensured that we revise every month at least thrice. So and more than that, I on my own I revise it around 4 or 5 times every month. So yeah,
Okay. So you revised the entire list at least 4 5 times,
yeah,
and there were still questions which were
yeah,
covered, but you could not remember all
yeah,
of them because you were
yeah. So yeah,
focusing on some topics which were you were thinking that were more important,
yeah,
but probably we might also be thinking that these are the most important topics, and that's where we came up with a top 100 list at the end
yeah,
when you guys were asking for 100 list.
yeah,
So those are the most important topics, but there was a surprise where they have given not the important topics, but topics which were covered.
Yeah, so I would advise the future aspirants to not focus on any coded list for that matter, because no matter every coaching, like everybody released a coded event list, and
Hmm.
all the topics mostly they were same. But if you pick up any coded event list, you will find at least 4 to 5 topics that were not in those lists, because no one can predict what would happen, right?
Yes.
So I'd say revise everything. The months that you get, revise them properly, and I'm sure you will be able to do well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And how about the daily, updates, events analyzed? What benefited you the most, if I may ask you?
So the news canvas updates, what I think, the information that there was some information that you guys even highlighted, so you knew what you had to focus on, right? If you have a 12-page update, it's not like you have to read the 12 pages every time you revise that. So that was really helpful. The coded event list was also helpful, like for preparation at least, if not for the paper, because it was unpredictable. So every event that you've given, I'd say I'd revise it. And the most helpful thing would be the sectional tests were helpful. And some questions were from the question that you guys gave at the end of the event, right? So the questions like World Water Day and theme, etc. You had covered those questions in the form of questions only, not in the form of updates, right? So I'd say that was really helpful. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All the best, Sarthak.
Thanks.
We hope
All
to
the
stay,
very best.
Thank
to
you.
stay in touch.
Yes, definitely.
All the very best. Let us know which NLU you reach.
Yeah. Thanks a lot.
So I think it would be Bangalore.
I'm
Or
hoping
no?
it will be Bangalore. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All the best.
Thanks a lot.
Bye, Sarthak. All the best.
Thank you.